According to Iranian military claims, drones targeted Sheikh Issa Air Base during what Iran described as another phase of its military operations. Here, Iran said that the targets included aircraft hangars, fuel storage facility, military equipment depot, and building used by the US forces. But one claim immediately caught the global attention. Iran's IRGC, they claim that an Amazon Web Service or AWS data center in Bahrain had also been damaged during the operation. The images quickly spread across social media, raising fresh question about whether critical digital infrastructure could become part of the future conflict or not. Now, it's very important to note that claims made during conflict often require independent verification. Different countries release different versions of events, and information can change as more details emerge. Still, the story highlights something very important. Modern wars are no longer fought only on the battlefields. Today, airports, ports, communication centers, satellite network, and even data centers have become strategically important. Think about how much of the world depends on cloud computing today. Businesses store their data online, banks process transactions through digital systems, hospitals maintain patients' record on servers, government depend on digital infrastructure. So if these critical facilities are disrupted, then it will affect everything. And this is why tech infrastructure has become an important part of this whole confrontation. Countries are now investing not only in stronger armies, but also in stronger security, in stronger communication, in stronger digital network. Because future conflicts may target computers and data just as much they target the tanks and fighter jets. With that, we come to an end of tonight's Skyline, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dhriti Athri. Stay cautious, stay updated, and I will see you on Monday.